In this short video, we're going to introduce ourselves to the concept of workspaces and explore how they can be used to make our experience of using Photoshop more efficient. Firstly, let's open up Photoshop. Now we don't need to start a new project or open up an existing one for this tutorial. With Photoshop open, we can click on the Window tab in the menu bar. Make sure that the Photoshop app is selected for this and that you can see Photoshop CC in bold near the top left of your screen in the menu bar. In this menu, we can see a range of options which we can click on to bring up particular panels in Photoshop. These range from 3D to tool presets. You can click on these to bring up the desired panels in Photoshop. Now, if we hover our mouse over Workspace, we see that another menu appears. We can see Essentials, 3D, Graphic and Web, Motion, Painting, and Photography options. The way to think of these workspaces is that they are preset selections of panels that are most likely to be used for each task. For example, I would select Photography if I intend to work on a photography project, and Photoshop would load a selection of windows that I'm most likely to use. We can make changes to a workspace, for example, if I bring up the color panel like so, and we can even save our workspace for ease of use later. If we go to Window, New Workspace, I can give my workspace a new name and save it. You can see here that it says panel locations will be saved in this workspace, and that there are options to save keyboard shortcuts, menus, and the toolbar too. Going back to Window Workspace, I can now see my custom workspace, as well as the presets, and can freely switch between them. I can delete a workspace by using the Window Delete Workspace function and selecting the workspace to delete. Another handy tool to know applies if I make a lot of changes to a workspace and things start to get quite messy. I can simply go to Window, Workspace, Reset, and Photoshop cleans up my workspace for me. Workspaces do take a bit of adjustment at first, as you steadily build up familiarity with the preset options, as well as build your own custom ones. Once familiar, you may find that your way of working has become more efficient and that simple Photoshop tasks become much faster.